Good morning, students. Once again, welcome to all of you. Today, again, we are going to solve few problems on average, and questions is given to you already in your group. And first, the solution of question number 9. 5 observations are there: x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6 and x plus 8, and average is 11. Then we have to find the mean of the last 3 observation. Now, according to question, average of all these numbers, so we can write how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So divided by 5 equals to 11. According to question, average of all these numbers is 11. Now how many x's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5x, and adding all the numbers, 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 12, 12, 8, 20 equals to, we can write 11 into 5, that is 55. So 5x equals to 55 minus 20. This implies 5x equal to 35. So x equals to 7. Now we have to find the mean of last 3 numbers. Then last 3 numbers is that, therefore mean of last 3 number equals to, we can write simply, x means 7 plus 4 plus 7 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. Clear, everybody? The sum of this number. Now we have to find the mean. That means we have to divide this by 3. So 11 plus 13 plus 15 by 3, that is coming 5, 3, 9, 3 by 3, that is 13 is our answer, which goes to option B. Okay, understood, everybody? Now we are coming to the next problem. What is the next problem? Next problem is given, question number 10, mean of ABC is m, and also given AB plus BC plus CA equals to 0. What to find? A square plus B square plus C square equals to, we have to find. And mean of ABC means, we can write A plus B plus C by 3 equals to m. These 2 conditions are given. Okay, a mean of 3 numbers, that is A plus B plus C is A, B, C is 3. That means we can write A plus B plus C by 3 equals to m. And another condition is given, A B plus B C plus C A equals to 0. Now we have to find A square plus B square plus C square. Now from the given condition, A plus B plus C by 3 equals to m. So what we can write? A plus B plus C equals to 3m. Now we have to find the square plus B square plus C square. So squaring both sides, we can write whole square. After that, a square plus B square plus C square formula is A plus B plus C whole square formula is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus BC plus CA equals to 9m square. Now A square plus B square plus C square, 2 into value of that part is, according to the given condition, is 0. 2 into 0, that is 9m square. So ultimately our answer is square plus B square plus C square equals to 9m square. Clear? This is the solution of question number 10. Now we are coming to the question number 11. Now in question number 11, the average of the 2-digit numbers which remains the same when the digits interchange their positions. Then what are the numbers of two-digit number? When we can change the after changing their position, the number will be same. Simply we can say 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. Okay, that means all these two digits number will be same after changing their position. Okay, so simply I am not doing that one, you do yourself. So we have to find the average. Suppose average is x bar, so just you have to find the sum of all these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So divided by 9, that will be the answer. Okay, just do yourself. Now I am coming to the next number. Next problem. Next problem is average of first 50 natural number. Very good problem. Okay, that means natural number means we know up to 50, and sum of all these numbers, sum Sn means we know 1 plus 2 plus 3, and formula, using the formula n into n plus 1 by 2, that is the summation formula. Therefore average is n into n plus 1 by 2n, as n is when sum of n terms is n into n plus 1 by 2, then average will be n into n plus 1 by 2n dividing by n, because the total number of term is n. So n cancel, that is n plus 1 by 2. But here n equals to 50. Total number of term is 50. So our average is 50 plus 1 by 2, that is 51 by 2, that is 25.5. So our answer is option, from the given option, which one is the option? Yes, option D is our answer. Clear? I repeat once again, sum of first n natural number is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now average means we have to divide by n, because total number of term, if total number of term is n. So after cancellation it is coming n plus 1 by 2. Hence we have to find the sum of first 50 natural numbers. So dividing by putting the n equals to 50, we can get the average 25.5. Now I am coming to the next one. Next one means find the mean of 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square up to 7 square. And see, we know 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus dotted plus n square. Sum of, there is a formula, sum of the squares of first n number or natural number, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Okay, that is the formula of the square of first n natural number. Okay, so that is the formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Now putting n equals to 7, we can write 7 into 7 plus 1 into 2 into 7 plus 1 by 6, that is Sn. So summation is 7 into 8 into 15 by 6. So it is coming 4, 3 5s are 15. That is 20 into 4, that is 140. That is summation. Therefore mean means we have to divide this by 7, because 7 numbers are there. So mean is 20. Understood everybody? Now I am coming to the next problem, that is question number 14. Average of first odd numbers. Question number 14. Odd number means 1, 3, 5 up to 100. Up to 100. So simply we can say how many odd numbers are there? 50 odd numbers are there. Okay. First 50 odd numbers are there. And there is a formula. If 1, 2, 3 up to n, 1, 3, 5, if in this way total n terms are there, then Sn equals to the formula is n square. Summation of first n odd number formula is n square. So how many terms are there? 50. Because 50 from 1 to 100, how many odd numbers are there? 50. So 50 whole square, that is coming 2500. Okay. Here total number of odd terms is 50. Therefore, what is the average? Therefore, average is 2500. By total number of terms is 50. So it is coming answer also 50. That is the answer of question number 14. Okay. Now I am coming to the question number 15. This is a good, last one is a good problem. Question number 15 is given average of first 5 consecutive odd numbers, that is A, B, C, D, E. That means by 5 equals to, what are the 5 consecutive odd numbers? Odd numbers. All these are odd numbers. Okay. So, odd number means what we can write? Then obviously B means A plus 2, C means A plus 4, D means A plus 6, and E means A plus 8. Because according to question, they are consecutive odd numbers. If first number is A, then obviously B is 2 more than A, and C is again 2 more, that means A plus 4, D is A plus 6, and E is A plus 8. So their average is by total number of term is 4. So it is coming A, that is 5A, plus 2, 4, 6, 6, 6, 12, plus 8, 20 by 5. Taking 5 as common, A plus 4, that is 5. So it is coming only A plus 4 is the answer. Okay, that is the average. It is also a good problem. Okay, so our answer is A plus 4, and this answer is not matching any one of the given conditions. So we can say none of this. Option D. Option D is our answer. None of this. Okay. So in this way, try to solve the next 3 problems. Hopefully we can solve the next 3 problems very easily. Today up to this much. I will give you some problem later. First of all, solve all these problems very carefully. And today up to this. Thank you and have a nice day.